Hi and welcome. This short video walks you through transferring your Nexus 1 or all-in-one pool controller from the old SmartPoolControl system to the new SmartPoolConnect. Everything you see in this video happens on the controller's own touchscreen, not on your phone. The whole thing takes about 2 minutes, and there are 5 steps. Let's go. Step 1. Note your filter pump speed. On the controller's screen, navigate to the filter pump section and open the schedules. Find the schedule called Always On. If Always On is switched on and being used, make a note of the speed setting. Write it down or just remember it. We'll come back to it at the end. If Always On is switched off or already set to low speed, you don't need to note anything down. Skip ahead to Step 2. Step 2. Check the software version. Still on the controller's screen, go to System Info and find the software version. The version we need is 02R30 or higher. That means 02R31, 02R32 and so on. If your version is older than 02R30, you can stop watching here. Your pool will be transferred automatically at a later date. You don't need to do anything else. If you have 02R30 or newer, keep going. Step 3. Turn off Stable API. On the controller, go to Configuration Settings. The screen will ask for the PIN code. Enter it. If the PIN code shown in the video does not work for you, the system will be transferred automatically at a later date. You'll see several settings on this screen. This part is important. Do not change anything else on this screen. Changing other settings here can cause real problems for your pool. We're only here for one thing. Scroll down through the list. Find the setting called Stable API. Tap it to turn it off. That's the only change you make on this screen. Step 4. Restart the controller. Switch your pool controller off. Completely off, using the main power switch inside or on the side of the unit. Leave it off for 10 seconds. Count to 10 slowly. Then switch it back on. This restart is what tells the controller to start reporting to the new SmartPoolConnect platform. Step 5. Restore your filter pump speed. On the controller's screen again, open the Always On filter pump schedule. If you noted down a speed in Step 1, tap the speed setting and put your original value back. If the speed was already on low speed, or the schedule was switched off from the start, you don't have to do anything. Congratulations, your pool is now running on SmartPoolConnect. Within a few minutes, your pool will appear as online in the SmartPoolConnect app, faster and more responsive than the old platform. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Play, or use the website at smartpoolconnect.eu. Log in with the same email and password you already use. If anything looks unusual, or if you have any questions, please contact your pool builder or reach out to EPS support. We're happy to help. Welcome to SmartPoolConnect. Enjoy your pool.